Hey guys, welcome back to Hoyam Outdoors. Heading out to find some walleyes this morning. We'll see you at the lake. There we go.
I just laid it in there. Garrett watched me lay it in there. Good deal.
Let's go.
Big one?
Yeah.
Big as he.
22 3/4. 22 1/4. Oh! No! Little trampoline on the truck. Nice. You guys hungry? Nope. I thought you had them.
Is that a beaver with his head chopped off?
What is that? Outer. Beaver head or something.
Right.
I'll get it, Dad. You notice how beat up this was last time? Big face. Big face.
21 3/4.
Yeah.
Going in the box.
Huh? I'm stuck in, yeah.
Grab the net. I'll get the rod.
It was almost out. Goose fish.
Kitty.
Puss fish? Yep. Just break it off, huh?
Spendy day on hooks, huh?
Huh?
Spendy day for hooks.
Nice one here. Nice. Garrett's gonna get my big one, huh?
Yeah. Keep your tip up if you can, Garrett.
Come on.
Eater.
Good deal. Watch this. Shoot, that's only 18 1/4.
What's wrong with that? That's what we're after.
19?
Perfect.
Thought he had a 28 on.
That's a 19. I don't want to know what a 30 incher feels like.
Correct.
That's what we've been trying to tell you.
It's a different world.
still on.
I got it, Dad.
Big fish.
Here.
I can't even move it.
Go, Lou.
Oh my god!
Yes!
There's Garrett's 30.
29. That was supposed to be Louis' fish.
There he is. Garrett's whole hand bounced when that one hit.
Oh shit, I could hear it from here. Garrett looks up like, what?
Players. No.
I was reaching for the net before Garrett set the hook.
28 and a half.
Check his backside lead. You always have the back facing you.
Why? It's no difference. Shoulder that way. Nope.
No what?
Climbing.
We'll rinse them off quick.
Get out of the way so I can get to the towel then. Now you know how one of them feels.
Took a couple both ways.
Rake the top way too long.
Big.
Might have to take the motor loose. I'll flip up.
No, I haven't had a bite of it.
How far is this thing?
Like 2.5.
Throw them in the drink.
What's this? Little Dad.
Yeah?
No. Bearskin. Or Joe.
Poopy.
Trick. That's something bothering the hell out of my minnow.
Oh. Whoops.
Broke me off.
You set the hook hard enough.
Good one? Yep. Follow this. Garrett, whatever your name is.
Deeper side. I knew it.
I switched over there because I heard what you said. You like catch me? No, you normally listen.
Keeper. 19.
Like that.
18 and 3/4.
You can put them up in the front line well if you want to. Right. Plug in.
Tournament fish, huh?
3 1/4.
Memories. We're going to keep one of them we catch from now on in.
Get them out of here.
Right, Garrett?
Yeah.
Solid.
Same size, I think.
Lifting right up like a...
Yeah. Clinic. Starting now.
What kind of clinic?
Walleye clinic.
It's a dark one.
Bottom lip. Nice walleye.
18.
Probably another 20 and a quarter. 21.
That's 21.
Yep.
Put her in the box.
Right.
Back there.
No.
It's up here.
Yep.
Good deal.
Right. I told you. Confident.
There's the last over. That makes it over.
This ain't gonna be over. How far you running in circles from the hook?
14 inches.
There he is.
19 and 15 sixteenths
19 and 3/4.
for the camera.
Huh?
Try to jump out.
Alright. Went back home about 11 this morning. Take a nap. And came back out this evening. There's one, about a 20 incher. There's two, probably 19. And there's three, just under 20.
Good day on the
Enough.
water.